If you have heard this saying that smartphone can actually put food on your table, don't doubt it. With just your smartphone, you can create a YouTube channel and start creating content with the same smartphone. Post it here on YouTube channel and start your earning journey once you meet up with the requirement to get monetized. It's as simple as that. So what am I showing you in this video? I want to share with you how you can simply create your own YouTube channel using just your smartphone. You here, welcome on board. I am Mika Adebayo, and here I post helpful content to help you with your content creation journey. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I drop helpful content like this. And to my returning subscribers, thank you also for coming back again to watch my videos. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial proper. This is Google Play Store. I'm on my Google Play Store where you can download your apps. So just go there and search for YouTube. Get to download your YouTube, alright? So because I have YouTube on my phone already, that's why it's bringing YouTube updates. Once done, click on it and sign up. And once you sign up, you're going to see this right here. So you're going to click on that. Just click on this side where you have create a channel. Just click on it. You can change the name. This is name. You can change it to whatever you want. You can change the picture by going to your gallery. So it has been updated. All right. So just click on create channel. That's all. So you have your channel already. All right. So channel created. Now you see it's now bringing out Xtina Creative Rank at Xtina Creative Rank as your handle, and now it's now saying view channel, meaning you already have channel now. So as at that time you don't have channel, but now you are having a channel. When you see this create and you see this plus sign, those are the places you can send in your content through. Okay, because once you start sending in content, this create will not show again, so you'll be left with this. All right, so let's click on that now to see what it's doing. So once we click on it, we have create a short, we have upload a video, we have go live. So let me show you how you can create cover picture for your YouTube channel, like the one you're seeing on my channel. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So all you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and search for canva.com, or you download the app. After doing this, sign up if you are new to canva.com, okay? So once you sign up, so you click on search and you type in YouTube cover. So after typing in YouTube cover, you see a lot of YouTube banners that you can choose from. But what I want you to take note of is that there is pro and there is free. So you want to pick out of the free unless you wish to subscribe to canva.com. So what do we do now? We just click on the one that suits us and we change every details to our own. You change the name, you choose the name for your channel, you put it in there, you put the summary of what your channel is all about. Maybe your channel is all about vlog, financial development and so on. You put it in there. So once done, just click on download and you're done. So here you can go ahead and come back to your YouTube channel and this camera, just click on it. Once you click on that, put the picture that you just downloaded from Canva and zoom it in so that it will be able to fit to size. So once you fit it into size, you're all done. The thing to do is to add description of what your channel is all about. So you want to describe your channel. This is another important thing on your YouTube channel, okay? So you don't want to leave your viewers waiting or thinking, what is this channel all about? So you want to put something in there. So you can say, I'm into vlog, so it depends on what you want, okay? So you might be wondering that what kind of content can you start? In case you're not sure of what kind of content you can be posting here as a new YouTuber, I can recommend an active niche for you, which is creating African Folktales Stories. And in some of my recent videos, I have shared how you can start creating African folktale stories from scratch. So you want to watch those videos so as to understand how to get started with creating your content here on YouTube. So you can get to meet up with the requirement to get monetized, which is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watchers. If you are consistent enough within 2 months, 3 months, you can meet up with the requirement to get monetized. And YouTube is going to accept you into the YouTube partnership program. And from there, you start your earning journey. Beautiful, right? So many content creators that started this beautiful niche are cashing out big time just with creating African folktale stories. So you might want to consider going into African folktale stories. And of course, if you have other things in your head you believe you can share with us on YouTube, where you can be creating your content on, it is fine and good as well. So I have dropped the link to the tutorial to African Folktale Stories in my description box. Go ahead and check the videos out. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I drop helpful content like this. Gotten to the end of this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye.